Khuborjylla ka khatnyo tarik juliu kalapan bena ban pen internet shu ya kan Nanpolok kum ka doonur ka Shillong ka ban Khring Briew ban syong pengat hatrai ding bat harut ki jongka. Ya kini ka kam en sedang no marmar laong uba po lengdo menteri ki kam penroi tourism. En sedang da ka ba Khlieng pen khut ya kan Nanpolok barok kawe bat ki saudong saukun jongka. Habakran bat kilat pathai Khubor uba po lengdo ulayathu balamang hinyo pon like klur tengka nagabenta ban pen internet ya kan Nanpolok. Ulaong ru bakan ni ka jing pen internet ya kan Nanpolok kan kentup ban Khlieng ya kapung barok kawe klem da pen yap ya ki doom ki badon hakani kanan. Ulaong ya ka tender ban le ya kan ni ka kam la pen priang kan simpor tang kumba artayo ban Khlieng ya kan ni kanan ula antat. En pen biang ya ki jaka pen aramet toilet kiba khuj basuba nak benta ki Briew kiba wan ban pet it ya kan Nanpolok ulaong. Ulaya thuru tang syukut ka ayom liur en sedang ki program Pynthaba Khrek bat kisur babang light and sound show hanan polok haka jinglut ka ban kenjo sau klur tengka ban pen ithiang yaka.
One, and this is very good news, is that as far as enhancing the potential of Khuborjylla as a tourist destination, we are going ahead with the desiltation of the lake, and through the Department of Urban Affairs, I am glad to share with you that an amount of rupees 7 crore 3 lakhs 67,071 rupees has already been earmarked for the work of beautification of the lake. This beautification would involve treatment of the water, what is known as oxygenation, and this work has already been allotted, and meaning tenders have been called, NIT has been issued, and within the next 2 weeks or so, work on the ground will start. This work, once taken up, the cleaning and beautification of Khuborjylla, you will see that once completed, the water will be sparkling clean, and also with this use of the technology that is known as nano bubbler, it will help to oxygenate the lake. 2 is we are also going ahead with the construction of toilets for use of the general public at various tourist destinations. Roughly 10 to 12 such locations have been identified, and these toilets will have a sanction of about 25 lakhs per toilet. By the end of the monsoon season, we should also be able to begin work for the light and sound show at Khuborjylla. An amount of roughly 4 crore rupees has been earmarked, and the process of tendering this particular project will start soon. And as I mentioned, work on the ground will begin by end of August or September. The project will take roughly 6 to 8 months until completion.